Traditional bread is the #1 health danger in your diet and contains a hidden compound that makes it nearly impossible to burn fat. That's why I invested 10 years of my life to create the world's healthiest bread. Today, I reveal the secret, so you can enjoy delicious real bread without worrying about your health, your blood sugar, or your waistline. Dear reader, there are few foods more comforting and enjoyable than bread. Whether it is a warm piece of focaccia dipped in olive oil, a sandwich on a chewy baguette, a flaky croissant, or even the simplest slice of toast with butter. Just thinking about these foods makes your mouth water. And the blissful intoxication you experience when you eat bread is real. In fact, you might say bread is the original food addiction. Traditional bread produces compounds called gluteomorphins. And as their name implies, these compounds engage opioid receptors in your brain, the same receptors triggered by drugs like morphine and heroin. Very similar compounds, called casomorphins, are found in cheese. That would certainly explain the euphoric rush of pleasure you feel when biting into a crusty slice of pizza with bubbly, melted cheese. And just to make sure you keep coming back for more, the blood sugar spike you get from high-carb bread elevates dopamine, the craving neurochemical from which the word dope originates. So it is no stretch of logic to say that bread is a drug that causes a repetitive cycle of cravings for more bread. Our love affair with comforting and addictive bread is as old as recorded history. The Bible practically commands followers to eat it. Give us this day our daily bread. It was so revered in ancient Greece, the rest of the meal was called dopsin, meaning condiment or bread's accompaniment. However, that fuzzy glow you feel when you bite into a slice of warm bread is short-lived. And, unfortunately,